In this question, I have to determine what percent of the larger grid is shaded. So what I'm talking about is this small portion here what percentage does that represent? And what they've done here is they've blown that out to a larger image, which we can see over here. So what we've got here, if you've got a number of blocks that have been shaded in, which represents this small area here of this total big 100 square here. So the large square is 10 by 10, and that represents 100%. So that means each one of these small blocks here represents 1%. So if this whole area is 1% here, again I've got a 10 by 10 grid, so I've got the 1% divided up into hundreds. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I've got 17 out of 100 blocks shaded, representing that shaded part of that 1% block. So which one of these is actually 17 hundredths of 1%? That would be B.